spring in the lap of winter. But you're the man to correct that. However, you're going to have to climb high to get to her. The duchy is an eagle's nest sitting atop a mountain.
Città del Monte.
Is there anything about which you're uninformed?
Your plans for Città del Monte.
Very simple. I want it by next spring.
Your lordship plans to invade the marches in the summer.
You see, Captain, what a quick mind he has. Now, where do we start our conquest of Città del Monte?
The husband. An old wall is more easily breached.
Our illustrious host has designated the noble Messer Orsini to be our guide and mentor while we're in Rome.
From what I know of the noble Messer Orsini, there should be no one more competent to guard us from evil than he.
You've met before, Madonna.
Have we?